Hey guys, it's me. Thanks for joining me to make this fun little craft. I'm going to show you what all you need and then give you some tips on making it. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a cup. It calls for like a clear cup. I have these green ones. They look almost clear if you can see, or they're kind of blending in with the background. But anyway, a cup and then some brown paper. So I have scrapbooking paper. You can use cardstock, just regular colored paper, construction paper, whatever you have on hand. And then you are going to need tissue paper. So I have tissue paper. I have green, orange, yellow, and red. So of course the orange, yellow, and red are going to be our flames, the green, and I already have them cut into strips. Now, you're probably not going to want your kiddos to use scissors, so you can let them tear off the pieces, and or you can cut them out for them, whatever works. You're also going to need glue. You can use a glue stick, some kind of washable glue like Elmer's glue. You're going to have to be really careful with the more liquidy glue because that's going to like soak through the tissue paper. For this video, I'm going to be using a glue gun because that's what I have on hand. But anyway, this is what the finished product is going to look like. It's a burning bush. So what you're going to want to do is cut out a strip of brown paper for the bottom. So what you're going to do is wrap it around, and I'm going to put just a little bit of glue here to hold it. Gotta get my glue stick in there. Put a strip of glue to hold the first side. You just want to make sure this is glued on there really good. Mine's pretty thick scrapbook paper, so it wants to pop off the cup really easily. So I'm just going to hold that there for a minute. And wrap it around, glue your other side on there. I'm just going to hold that in place for a minute. Okay, and then what you're going to do, you're going to want to, and what you can do if you're using a glue stick, I didn't want to use that much glue. You can go all the way around the cup with a strip of glue if you use like a glue stick or something else to stick it on there. So then what you're going to want to do is pick a color to start with between your red, orange, and yellow, and glue it on. Basically you just want it at the edge of your brown paper. Push that down just a little bit more. And then I'm going to put just a little bit at the top. I'm going to do a real thin line coming down the cup just to kind of help stabilize it onto the cup. Like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm sorry. I picked a terrible background to use. And it doesn't matter if your strips are all the same size. They can be any size. These are all different sizes, shapes, sizes. So then once you rotate through your colors and have those all on, I'll show you what to do next. I'm just going to do one full rotation. And I kind of overlap mine just a little bit, just so there's no holes peeking through there. So then there's what one row looks like. You can see I've made a couple of different ones, so that's what they look like done. Sorry guys, I'm not used to making videos, so getting friendly with where I need to put stuff in front of the camera so you guys can see it well. So I apologize if it's kind of messed up. So then you're just going to crumple up your paper, and you're going to glue it on. And this is going to be your leaves. Like that. So that will be your burning bush. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on social media, or you can text me. You can get my number from Soon or Micah. If, like I said, if you have any questions about the craft or the lesson, just shoot me a message or call me. Bye, guys.